Dear trading community, today there's another update video about the AI crypto trading bot that I'm currently testing. It's now been 45 days and I'm still positively surprised. Today we'll take a look at the current status as well as the updates and see how things are looking at this point in time. For those of you who aren't familiar with it, everything is connected to my Bitget account. This means the assets stay with me and the trades are executed automatically there. You can also do this on OKX, Bybit and Binance. But what does the current status look like? In total, across these 3 sub-accounts where I have this running, 3,015 trades have been completed. Out of those, 3,011 were actually profitable. I'll show you all of this in the trading analysis in a moment. I suffered a total of 4 losses. Of those, 3 were so minimal that you barely even noticed them. But as I shared in the last video, I did get hit with a stop loss and that one was a bit bigger. But it was actually good that it got triggered because the price of that particular coin kept dropping afterwards. But I've already made 2 videos about that. For those who are interested, I'll display that as well. I've also created a playlist now. In the very first video, you get a complete tutorial as well as instructions on how to set everything up in detail plus the initial results. And then in the second video, you see an update after the first 30 days. Now 45 days have passed. So let's dive into my accounts and analyze everything in detail. Before we continue with my account, just a quick note for those who have already been following along. You also know this here in the backend of the AI trading pod. And as you can see today, for example, Topman 100K is almost always in first place. For example, today he has already earned 208 US Tether, even though the market overall is quite calm. But if we click on next here and then go to the monthly leaderboard, we can see that this user has already made 23,146 US Tether this month. With this AI crypto trading bot, that's really quite something. Impressive. Overall, the community has earned 850,862 US dollars this month. And you can also look yourself up in there if you scroll down far enough. I usually fluctuate somewhere between place 1,500 and 2,000 with my sub-accounts. That means if I add all 3 together, which I'll show you in a moment, I'll probably be around place 1,000. But you can also look yourself up to see that it's not some kind of fake. But now let's move on to the results. Here we are now in my first sub-account, and as you can see, there are open positions everywhere. 9 coins, both long and short at the same time. I'll show again how this also has a positive effect on the funding fees. But you can see here, Unitron, NEAR, OP, AVAX, everything is open here. Some are a bit in profit, some are a bit in loss. But what we want to see is how things looked in the past. What has happened? Today, on the 14th of December, for example, I closed 2 trades with 18% and 38%. You can also see that these are very small profits, but there are really an incredible number of trades executed per day. If we take a look, Saturday was a bit weaker for Tron, for example, but overall Saturday hardly saw any movement in the market. And that's why there were also fewer trades. But if we look here on the 12th of December, you can see how many trades were closed here. Of course, this gradually accumulates in the account as well. And here and there we also have small statements where there's a bit more, but even that is still not much. I'll show you an account where we also have trades in between that make $30, $40 or $50. By the way, this is a $2,000 account size that I used here, split across 3 SAP accounts. If we now go to the closed P&L, you can also see a lot of positive trades here. But what's really interesting, of course, is the futures analysis. And now we'll go to my start date. As I told you, on the 31st of October, I started this vehicle. And we'll go to today's date, the 14th of December, and go in here. And you can see here that with this account, every single day so far has been positive. If we scroll further down, this one has now overall generated 13.87% account profit. And if we remember, in my last video, this was still at 8.95% account profit. That means within the last 2 weeks, we've added about another 5% to the account. And I can scroll down a bit here as well. You can also take a look in here. Here on the left, you can see the date. And on the right, you can see how the account has grown step by step. So 12.6, 12.68%, 12.94. Every day, a little bit more is added to the account. And of course, that's very, very interesting to see. So that's the current status here. Let's take a closer look at the trades, the trading analysis, so you can see that as well. The first account here has a 100% win rate and currently a profit of $279.98 US Tether from a $2,000 account with 847 profitable trades and not a single loss. Of those, 401 were long trades and 446 were short trades. And now we're in the area where I say there are always days that are a bit of an outlier, for example, where 51.59 US Tether in profit was made. Here we made 52.62 USDT in profit. And otherwise you really can't name an actual average, because sometimes we have $17 and on another day it's $4.38 again. What really stands out though are usually the Saturdays when there's hardly any movement in the market and not many trades are closed. And if we look in here now, AVAX is currently the best performer, ADA is the second best performer, then Uni, NEAR, SUI. And then I have some other coins in there as well. And what's also very positive, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, so far we've only paid 0.43 USDT in funding fees. Why? Because there are short positions open at the same time, and when the funding fee is positive, we actually pay almost nothing for the open long positions. So far, we've paid 6.89 USDT in funding fees, but we've also received 6.46, just now received. That's obviously a great average, so we've only paid a total of 0.43 here. And for those of you who are already doing this, there are quite a few, you'll probably see similar results if you look at your P&L. Here I am now on the second SAP account. I've got some slightly more volatile coins in this one because in the first account, as I mentioned, those are more regular coins, not such extreme altcoins like PayPal or ICP, which have had massive movements both recently and quite often in general. But here too, you can see 9 different coins, each with both long and short positions open. If I now go into the position history here and again click on more, and then we take a look at the futures analysis, which is of course super interesting, then I have to say I'm really surprised at how much additional performance this one has delivered. Let's go back to the creation date, which was the 31st October. That's when I started everything. Today is the 14th December. So let's go in and I'll scroll down. And we have a total return on investment of 18.01%. And in the previous video, which I published on the 1st of December, it was still 11.37%. That means quite a bit of profit has been added here as well. And of course, it's really fun to watch when this is running fully automated in the background. We can also see that in the same period, Bitcoin simply lost 17%, while the AI trading bot added 18% to this second account. Here too, if we scroll down, you can see there was apparently a very good jump. On the 5th of December, we still had 12.62%, then 13.19%, 13.51%. But the jump from the 8th to the 9th of December apparently brought a lot of profit, because that's when we jumped from 13.70% up to 17.41%. Here too, we can again see the daily P&L coming in. The outlier day here added $74 to the account. What I didn't show in the previous account is the P&L calendar. You can see here every day is green. I can also go to the previous month. Here too, every day is positive. We'll see that in a moment as well. If you go back into October, that was my very first day. But now let's move on to the trading analysis. And here we see that this account with a 99.91% win rate actually completed 1,116 profitable trades and only one stop loss. And you can see this one stop loss here, it was only 0.02 US Tether. My biggest trade here was 44.94 US Tether. That was probably on one of those days when I made that bigger profit. And here you can see the funding fees in the previous account where I still paid a bit are actually positive here. That means for all my open positions that I had running here, I was actually paid because apparently my short positions were larger than my long positions. And in this case, I paid 16.68 US Tether in funding fees, but received 22.56 US Tether. Here, ICP was the best performer, ABT the second best performer, followed by Sushi, Pepe, then Lot, and after that a combination of other coins. So again, every day here has been green so far. And that one stop loss I mentioned earlier, which was triggered, happened on one of these days, but it was so minor that it basically went unnoticed. So here, on the $2,000 account, I added $363.79 USDT in 45 days. And all of that was fully automated in the background. Of course, I really like that a lot. But now let's move on to the last account. This is also the account where I took a stop loss. And now we'll do the next analysis there. And here I am now on my last account, the third sub-account, and we'll take another look inside. I want to show you a few things. The Coin Zero has completed an incredible number of trades here. You can see that beautifully here. But what you can also see now, and what I want to share with you, is that ZRO is currently in both long and short positions. But if I go to the position history, you can see that we haven't closed a single trade today. There's too little movement among the added coins, even though these are very volatile altcoins. But yesterday, on Saturday, when there was actually very little movement in the market, you can see here that we closed the knot twice, with 14 and 22%. But ZRO, starting from this area here yesterday, completed an incredible number of trades, which was really interesting to watch because apparently it had a movement yesterday that was incredibly good, specifically for this coin. And if we now go to the trading analysis just like before, the complete P&L, closed P&L, and futures analysis, here we see that the current account is in the negative. It's still in the negative because, as I said, started with $2,000, currently it's only 1,877. What's included in that? But here again, let's go back to the 31st. October as the start date, and then to today's date, the 14th, December. Let's take another detailed look at this and scroll down a bit here. And at this point, the account loss is 6.24%. But if you remember my last video, I'll show it again here. Back then, I had an account loss of 9.2%. And in this case, that means now 3% that the trading bot has made up in the meantime. I'm curious to see at the end of the month, or rather, at the beginning of next month, what it will look like, whether this account will be back in the positive. And this loss, for those who don't know, was caused by a single trade. I think it was the WLD trade, if I'm not mistaken. That's described in detail in the last video anyway. Unfortunately, that one was a bit bigger, but nothing that was unexpected. Because when setting up the trading bot, as I also showed in the tutorial, you can see what the loss would be if a stop loss is triggered. And in that case, you can prepare for it. And it's nothing that comes as a surprise. Of course, it's not good, but for example, I actually think it's great because it allows me to show you this live in the video, and so we can also see how long it takes for the third account, for example, to recover enough so that this account is back in profit. If we go to the trading analysis here, we can see the loss was 369. US Tether, not exactly great. We have a 99.71% win rate here, and there were 3 losses. And of those 3 losses, in this account, there was 1 stop loss. As I already mentioned in the last video, we're in trading, and unfortunately things like this are part of it. You have to accept it. But the other 2 accounts have generated very good profits. If we now calculate the average from the 2 profitable accounts and the 1 loss account, then we're at about just under 9% total profit that was added to my investment. And that also puts us in the range the founder told me about, that you can expect between 5 and 10% per month. I think that's a good average, considering that an AI is trading in the background. For those of you who are interested, I would of course appreciate it if you use the link from my video description, because then I get a little something from Cointech2U. But definitely check out my videos on this, especially the first tutorial video where I also go into the risk warnings in detail. And in my second video that I made, I also go over the risks in detail and address many of the community's questions. Otherwise, I'd be happy if you subscribe to my channel. And of course, leave a like and a comment under this video to help push the algorithm a bit. And with that, I'll say goodbye. See you next time.